Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly view your purchase history on Steam. So if you want to check all the games that you've purchased in the past, what did you purchase, when, etc., then you can easily find this. So on your upper right hand side of your screen, you have your profile, you have your, let's say, username. You want to click the drop down and then click account details from here. And here under the account details, you will see towards the right hand side, it says view purchase history. And here, if you click on this section here, it will take you into all those games that you've purchased in the past. And you can see exactly the date as well when you purchased that. So on the left hand side, you can see the 26th of May 2022, I did purchase this game, right? So, and you can also see some details here, and you can also click on that to actually see more, right? So you can see more information here about your purchases and so forth, right? You can even do a refund of the game if that's within 14 days of the purchase. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well, and other information as well about your purchases. So if you're looking for those games that you've purchased in the past, that's where you go ahead and find them there right under your account details. There, it's very easy and very simple to find, and it gives you a lot of details about those games that you've purchased in the past. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.